Greetings, fellow explorers. Today we take a look at the distance between two of the world's most sacred religious sites. We're going to look at the distance between the Kaaba stone in Mecca and the Temple Mount in Jerusalem. The distance between these two sites is 666.6 nautical miles, or 1,234,543.21 meters. If we read the distance in meters, digit by digit, we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3.21. Measured in degrees is 11.1. The numbers I have mentioned now are the same numbers from the previous video where I explored the distance between the Great Pyramid in Giza and the Pyramid of Quetzalcoatl in Teotihuacan, except the distance between the Kaaba and the Temple Mount is exactly 1/10 of that. Before I get into the mathematical significance of the numbers, I would like to introduce you to the historical and religious aspects of these two sites. The Kaaba, located in Mecca, Saudi Arabia, is the most sacred site in Islam. Muslims around the world face the Kaaba during prayers, which is known as Qibla. The annual pilgrimage to the Kaaba is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, required of all able-bodied Muslims at least once in their lifetime. According to Islamic tradition, the Kaaba was originally built by the Prophet Abraham, or Ibrahim in Arabic, and his son Ishmael, under the guidance of the Archangel Gabriel, or Jibril in Arabic. The Kaaba is believed to have been rebuilt several times, with the current structure dating back to the early Islamic period. Before the advent of Islam, the Kaaba was a central shrine in Mecca and was surrounded by 360 idols representing various deities worshipped by the tribes of Arabia. Some speculate that these 360 idols might have symbolized the 360 degrees of a circle, potentially hinting at an ancient understanding of geometry and astronomy. There is limited archaeological evidence on the Kaaba's early history, so much of what is known comes from Islamic text and oral traditions. The Al-Aqsa Mosque, located on the Temple Mount in Jerusalem, is the third holiest site in Islam, after the Kaaba and the Prophet's Mosque in Medina. The mosque and the surrounding area, known as the Haram al-Sharif or Temple Mount, are of great religious significance. The Al-Aqsa Mosque complex has been an important religious site for centuries, with structures built and rebuilt over time. The exact historical origins are complex, but it has been a significant place of worship since early Islamic history. There are a few Jewish sources that suggest the Temple Mount was consecrated from the time of Adam, though the details and interpretations vary. The Zohar, a foundational work of Jewish mysticism, says that Adam was created near the Temple Mount and that the mountain was the most elevated of all places on earth. The foundation stone, named Even ha-Shetiyah, located on the Temple Mount, is of profound significance in Jewish tradition. It is believed to be the navel of the world, or axis mundi, the point from which the rest of the world was created and existed before Adam. According to Islamic tradition, the Prophet Muhammad experienced a miraculous night journey named Isra and Mi'raj around the year 621 CE. According to the Islamic sources, the Isra began from the Masjid al-Haram in Mecca, and it was then transported to the Masjid al-Aqsa in Jerusalem. However, the actual ascension to heavens, Miraj, is believed to have occurred from the foundation stone, Sakra, located within the dome of the rock shrine, not within the Al-Aqsa Mosque itself. Abraham, or Ibrahim in Arabic, is a central figure in Islam and is revered as a prophet. Islamic tradition holds that Abraham and his son Ishmael built the Kaaba as a house of monotheistic worship under divine guidance. The Temple Mount is believed to be the site where Abraham was prepared to sacrifice his son. In Islamic tradition, It is commonly believed that the son in question was Ishmael, while in Jewish and Christian tradition it is Isaac. The distance from the Kaaba stone to the Temple Mount is, as I mentioned, 666.6 nautical miles, or 1,234,543.21 meters. When read digit by digit is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The distance measured in degrees is 11.1. Whether we measure the distance in nautical miles, meters or degrees, we get a palindrome number. A palindromic number is a number that remains the same when its digits is reversed. The number 666.6 nautical miles or 11.1 degrees are repdigit, or sometimes called monodigit. Repdigits or monodigits are natural numbers composed of repeated instances of the same digit in a positional number system. The distance measured in meter is 1,234,543.21 meters. The square root of this number is 1,111.1. If we multiply the number measured in meters by the sum of its digits, which is 25, we get 5,555.5 squared. The number measured in meters can be divided in two parts, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That's added together to give the palindrome of 55,555.